Hey guys, well, I just got back from a little parts run I did. Just for poops and giggles, I checked on Facebook Marketplace, and I've been looking for what I just got for years. It's for the Mazda. It was originally for the Volkswagen project, but yeah, now that I'm putting the Volkswagen engine in the Mazda, it's for the Mazda. So I'll show you guys what I got. Alright, so I got a bag of miscellaneous fittings. These are off the back of the injection pump. I think they're, I don't even know what they're called. I'm not even gonna hazard a guess. Oops. Got a, no depth perception. Got a custom socket that, oh wow, that's welded way off kilter. I didn't even look at this. And then I got some injectors. Got 4 of these and 4 of these. And then I got some, I'm not sure if these are upgrade injector nozzles or if they're installed already. But in either case, I've got some pretty upgraded injectors now. Let's see if I can find the link. I cannot. I'm going to pull up the information on them and then I'll go into it. Well, I'm having trouble finding any information on these injectors anywhere, or the nozzles. But they're GTD nozzles. Apparently the guy who was running these nozzles made his car smoke way too much, so he's like, I'm gonna pull them out. So anyways, I picked all this stuff up for 40 bucks. I got 4 of those, and 4 of these. So I always wanted upgraded injectors for the Volkswagen because I plan on compound turboing the thing. And I need more power, so more fuel, more power. How you get more fuel is you turn your injection pump up, which I've already done, and then bigger injectors. So I am very, very excited right now. I've already got a socket that I can't even. But yeah, I'm gonna try to look up the part numbers on this and see if these are the GTD nozzles or if they're maybe installed in these, because all these the silver injectors had these caps on them. Presumably that sounds right, to protect the tip. So I'm assuming those are probably the upgrade ones, but you never know. So. And I can't get part number off these without taking them apart. So yeah, but one thing I do want to do though is build a pop tester. And I had one before, and I'll build another one and I'll show you guys how I did it and what I do for it. And then I can pop test all the injectors, make sure they're all the same, and then install them. And then yeah, I'm so excited. So excited. Like, stole this stuff. Anyways guys, it's just a little quick teaser video for you. So thanks for watching, and until next time, take care.